Hello everybody and good morning. I'm joined once again by my buddy Ken. The last video he was in was Mythos, I believe.
Yeah.
Another food review for you today. Another one that has been here forever. Highly regarded food. Very similar to our Mythos review. Today we're actually going to be checking out Confisco Grille. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm so ready.
Let's go. As you can see, they have a list of the menu outside as well. I'll go and show you inside though once we get in there, but they have appetizers like Trader Wings, chicken quesadilla, spinach artichoke dip, which sounds very good. Some of the entrees, I've heard very, very good stuff about the sweet and sour sticky ribs. The pad thai sounds good. Chilled tuna noodle bowl sounds good. They also have a chipotle chicken wrap, which sounds great. Pork belly. You know, Hearthstone baked chicken. All of it sounds absolutely delicious and I'm ready to get in there. All right, and over here they actually have the backwater bars. So if you wanted to go in and not get like food, but you wanted like a drink, this is actually one you can just walk right in. We're now headed into the Navigators Club, which is a passholder exclusive lounge. Wow, this looks so nice in here. Oh my God. So yes, this area is exclusive for Universal Annual Passholders. As you can see, we're not seated out here in the balcony, but wow. Maybe next time we will be. This is cool. What a view. Look at that. That's insane. I'm so ready for that ride. Oh my goodness. Once it's completed, this balcony is gonna look even cooler. I mean, you're gonna have a great view of the Hulk over there. You're gonna have the Jurassic Park coaster over here. You're gonna have Seuss Landing over there. Great place to people watch. My goodness. They are very social distanced as well, as you can tell, which is good. The other cool thing about going up to the Navigators Club area, besides, you know, the insane decor over here, is actually, I know I showed the menu earlier. I think we basically decided what we're already gonna get, right? Yeah. But it doesn't take away the cool factor of the fact that there is UOAP roasted cauliflower steak, which is, you can only order if you're an annual pass holder. All right, and so this is one that was actually recommended to me. This is, I got the sweet and sour sticky ribs. And Ken's looks really good too. You got the pork belly sandwich. It comes with fries and an orange Fanta. Right, just about every video I watched, every person I talked to, as soon as I said Confisco anything, they were talking about these sweet and sour sticky ribs. Am I afraid to get messy on camera? You know, am I afraid to eat some ribs on camera? Let that be your answer.
ribs are cooked exceptionally well. You know that sweet and sour sauce you would get on chicken at like a Chinese food restaurant or something like that? It's similar to that, but actually like a higher quality. Wow. You know, I'm used to the barbecue ribs, obviously, but wow.
All right, so Confisco Grille, which by the way, and I just gotta throw a shout out, I can't remember his name. Oh, I wish I would've gotten it on the name tag. Anyways, the guy that sat us is super, super cool. Just was really interested in me filming and everything. So we were noticing, I'll probably put it in right in the lobby. They actually have like a little hidden cat in the hat and like a little hidden Lorax and like a one fish, two fish from Seussland. And then he came over and he was like, oh my gosh, he goes, if you like that, you gotta see this. And there was actually like a hidden Rocky Bullwinkle from Toonland and all this. And he said, it's very interesting. We incorporated unused things from around the park into our theming, which was like super, super cool. The theming is clearly not as intense as it is at Mythos, but I enjoy it as a theme park nerd. Actually a little bit more, I think. But you guys probably aren't as nerds of theming as I am. You probably care a lot more about the food. What did you think?
I like it. It was very good and tasty.
Very, very good. Would you come back?
Yeah.
Would you get the pork again?
Yeah.
Probably gonna try something else next time though. The sticky ribs are as good as everybody was telling me. That sweet and sour sauce is incredible. I would definitely get it again. But I was also looking at the Chipotle chicken wrap on there, which sounded pretty good. There's a lot of stuff that I would definitely come back for. All in all, Confisco.
Yeah.
Amazing. Recommend.
Yeah.
Is it better than Mythos?
I like Malecon.
Okay, so he likes Mythos better. I'm actually more of a Confisco fan myself.
Yeah.
You know, definitely between Confisco and Mythos, though, it is not a stretch, I think, to say that Islands of Adventure is just a good eating park. There is a lot of really good food here. As for right now though, go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode. And you guys have a great day. We're gonna go ride Hagrid's. Goodbye!